Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Elsie once again, and I'm coming up with you today for another reaction to our favorite Matt Monroe's clone. Yeah, Ruel Carino, the one and only. This is during his guesting in Eat Bulaga. Yeah, this October 14. So that is 9 hours ago. Yeah, so that's just today. Yeah, and in here he sang part of "And I Love You So" and the whole of "Impossible Dream." So without further ado, let's check it out, guys. Let's all have another new experience to Ruel's music. Come on, let's go. The clone of Matt Monroe. Daming niyang fans. And I Love You So. Nice song. Nice song. That's one of my favorite songs actually. Yeah, before.
This one, paborito ni Bossing.
Paborito daw ni Bossing. Ano kaya to? The Impossible Dream. Another favorite song.
Sarap pogi ka talaga.
Nang bulak. Well.
This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless.
Ganda talaga ng boses niya. Relaxing.
To fight for the right without
Yeah, ang sarap niyang pakinggan. Kasi ang kalma ng boses niya.
for a heavenly choice. And I know if I'll only be true to this glorious quest,
Siya yung klaseng singer na hindi sumisigaw.
my heart
Kumakanta talaga, nagkukwento. So, ayan, ang sarap pakinggan, nakaka-relax.
and the world will be better for this. That one man
Nagiging, siya, better and better always. Always becoming better and better for every performance.
his last ounce
Yeah.
of courage to reach the unreachable star.
Oh, mataas yun na. That's a high note. Kaya din niya ang high note. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Wow. That's another relaxing song from Ruel. Sayang nga lang at hindi buo yung unang kanta. Ayun, And I Love You So, ang title yata nun. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. Kasi maganda rin ang kanta at bagay sa kanyang boses, right? Yeah, napansin nyo rin ba guys? Lalong gumaganda ang boses niya habang tumatagal. At good idea na rin na kumakanta siya ng ibang genre like OPM. Kasi mas na-showcase niya ang talent niya sa pagkanta, di ba? Good idea nga rin guys kasi hindi siya nakatali sa pagiging Matt Monroe's clone at makikilala rin siya sa pagkanta ng ibang genre. Mas malawak ang audience niya. Pero in fairness perfect siya sa pagiging Matt Monroe niya. Pero gaya nga ng sabi ko, mas maganda pa rin na makilala siya na kumakanta rin ng ibang genre. At dito naman sa Impossible Dream, ang ganda rin talaga ng rendition niya. So close to that of Matt Monroe talaga. Na pag maririnig mo, yeah, alam mong Matt Monroe's style na yun. So it's as well nice for him to keep it and master it more. Kasi dito siya sumikat, right? Dito siya nakilala. maganda rin yung kilala na siya bilang Matt Monroe's clone and then makikilala rin siya as an OPM singer, right? Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please subscribe and write where you're watching from para alam ko kung hanggang saan ang inabot ng video kong ito. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.